Hey everyone, want to talk about a cool new feature in Frame, a go-to menu. Now this will show up if you're on a frame that you are the owner of or the admin of. It'll be up here at the top left. When you click it and there's nothing in there, it'll just say edit, which if you click will pull up the edit menu. Just some info about it here until you actually want to get started. You can click the green plus button. And this is where you actually make the destinations that show up in the go-to menu. Pretty cool. Now these can be either spot links to link to any spawn spots you have in your frame to take people to different locations within your frame, or they can be frame links to actually take people to different frames. Pretty cool. So let's see how this works. I'm going to add a spot link. You get a drop down, gives you the existing spawn spots you have in your frame. I've already added two. I put one in the boardroom here and I put one here in the center. I'm going to make one for the boardroom, and I'm going to call it boardroom. Then I'm going to go ahead and make another one, and I'm going to call this one center, and I'm going to have this one go to my center spawn spot. And then I'm going to make another link that goes to a frame, and I'm going to have this go to second floor office, and this is going to link to another frame here. Now you can reorder these if you like, but you can see these will just show up automatically in the go-to menu. And if you reorder them on the side, they'll reorder right there. You can tell in the menu which one is a frame link. It'll have this little arrow. And these other ones are spawn spot links. I'm going to click around so you can see how they work. I'm going to go to the boardroom. Boom. There we go. Amazing. I'm going to go to the center. Boom. Awesome. And I'm going to go to the other frame, the second floor office. There we go. That's pretty cool. Now I want to go back and I want to show you actually something else about this, which is if other people are in a frame that you have linked to in your go-to menu, you will actually see the number of people that are in there in the menu itself. You see this little 1 next to second floor office? That's letting you know that there's one person in there. This number doesn't update live, but to refresh it, you can always close the menu and reopen it. Pretty cool stuff. And users, other people will only see this menu if there's something in it. Otherwise, it just won't appear at all. It also does work in VR and it works on mobile. Okay, that's the breakdown of this feature. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.